My friend got laid off in my previous company, and I was shocked to hear this news because he was my good friend and we both were working in the same project. So I was terrified that what if I could be that person, and but luckily I was safe. So I started thinking on what are the things which, due to which he got laid off and I got saved, and what can I learn and implement in my career so that I become recession proof. Because here and there we are listening this recession news in 2024 as well, and 2023 was also like that. So what we can implement in our life and in our career so that we can become recession proof. So I am giving 5 learnings which I learned from that incidents, and make sure you also learn from this and implement in your career so that you also can take some lessons out of it and implement in your career and be recession proof. Hi everyone, my name is Amit and I am working as an automation test engineer from last 9 years. If you are new on this channel and haven't subscribed this channel, please make sure to subscribe this channel and share this video to your friends and colleagues, because this is going to help them also get some insights and learning, and this will also help them to improve in their career. With that, let's begin. So let's begin with number 5. Build a strong relationship with your manager or your lead. It is very important because if you are going to work in a team, then it is definite that you are not going to advocate for yourself to higher management. It is going to be your manager and your lead who will speak on your behalf. So if they are not giving good feedback about you, then definitely you will be in problem. So don't be in tussle. Rather, I am not saying that you should also be buttering to them. So don't be like that, but at the same time don't be in the constant tussle. Rather than build healthy relationships, try to understand what they are in the situation, basically what they are trying to accomplish, and if you help them accomplish those tasks or the goals they have, then definitely you will be able to build strong relationship with your manager or your lead, because it is eventually a team who is going to perform certain tasks, and your manager is the one who is going to lead that particular team. So if you are going to help them, then it is going to help you also. Number 4, communicate impact and value. So it is very important to communicate with your lead and manager, being it we are working from home or office, but it is very important that you should communicate whatever you are in the situation, because if you are stuck, then also you should immediately communicate that to your team or to your manager or lead. And if you're working on something, so don't keep it blank with your manager, okay? Because it is very important that your manager or lead knows what you are doing, at the same time what value and impact you are bringing on. So whenever you do certain tasks, you should also communicate what impact you are bringing in. Okay, so that is the 4th point. Let's jump on the 3rd one. 3rd point is be proactive and problem solving. See, in any particular team, we are working day in, day night, and we face challenges, right? So it is not like everything is settled down and we are not getting any issues. We get issues on day in, day out basis. So you should be always in the mode of problem solving. How you should be constantly talking with your manager or lead, that how you can provide solutions, how you can think upon solving a problem, so that team get beneficial out of that. For example, if any team is working on certain tasks and they are doing much more manual process, through manual process, maybe if you are using Jira, and people are going over there and updating some creating bugs or something, they are updating constantly about any status or something like that. Think how you can automate that process so that team gets time. So if you help team getting time, then also that's value add, and that problem you are solving, and you are making team efficient, and that will eventually help and make your image as a problem solver, and that will help you in your career also. Number 2, focus on efficiency. See, we always work in a team, and our team has a lot of processes to perform. And eventually, if we have a lot of processes, team gets stuck in the process itself. So, for that purpose, think how you can make team efficient, our system and processes efficient. So, if you think from that perspective, one day will come, you will get the solutions also. If you get the solutions, try to implement that, and through that way you are going to implement the efficiency in the team. And for yourself also, to make yourself efficient, you should also be aware of your tasks and day-to-day activities. That way you will be able to know what tasks are there in your bucket and how much you are going to complete, and eventually how are you tracking them and working on them. And that way you will be able to make yourself track, and then eventually you will be able to make yourself efficient. And the topmost priority, it will be number one, which is diversification of your skills. So it is very very much mandatory that in this constantly changing job market and automation testing, where day in day out new things are coming up, automation and artificial intelligence, there are new tools and technologies which are coming in. So we should constantly upgrade yourself with our skills, whether being it hard skills or soft skills, but we should constantly work on our skills. Because if you are at one stage, and if you remember my friend, he was doing manual testing till now also after 9 years. So that was the biggest setback for him, to not upgrade himself. So if you are at manual testing stage, make sure to upgrade yourself to automation testing. If you are constantly working on automation, then you can upgrade to API testing. If you are working in API, then automation. And if you have mastered all of this, then you can think upon artificial intelligence related tools, which are UiPath and Functionize and all of those things. So if you haven't watched my video where I had mentioned all the different artificial intelligence related automation testing tools, you can go and watch my video also. And if you want me to put some videos where I explain how I manage my day in day out, then you can press like button. That will help me to know that you also want this kind of videos. And please make sure to share this video to your friends, because the mistakes which my friend did, I am sure that you don't want that your friend also or you also be doing the same mistakes, right? And that's how we learn, and that's how we grow, right? So let's learn together and grow together. Bye bye. Amit Tripathi signing off.